Big name of the hitman hired to kill our EPA agent. I'd say we're making progress, but you keep talking about Nitmo in the past tense.
That's because he died of cancer 3 years ago.
Cheer. Knives. Knife only.
Carl. Don't need.
Cheer. Cheer. Cheer.
Gave his life hunting the enemy. His top sleeps in a mine.
You might fought long enough to not
You have not seen what I have seen. Evil does not sleep.
try anything smart. Put a hole right in your pal's. So I told you not to take the job down here. What kind of cop are you? The kind that goes where the money is. Old partner offered up a cash gig. Protect a counterfeiting ring, but then you make me a babysitter. I was hoping you'd just get run off. Of course, this whole thing would blow over. You and this fucking ape couldn't let things go. Where's Boston? Oh, my girl's still just fine.
Cheer.
They want me to tell you to do what they say, or me, Harley and the kids, they're going to do to us what they did for us.
Whatever you want. I won't do it. No way you're letting him walk away from this thing up too much.
You're smart. You, Finley, Roscoe, you're all dead. But I prefer to spare Charlie and the kids. When civilian women and children get killed, people get really worked up. More questions get asked.
Yeah, I'm not worried about him talking. Pretty sure they'll keep quiet after they watch what I did to their dad. Oh. You killed him already? He's on the run. Thought getting lost would protect his family. He's wrong. Hold on. That's loose end. Let me guess. Loose ends concern you. Your father promised some real bad guys overseas a hefty amount of counterfeit cash. But thanks to the Coast Guard blockade, those boys haven't gotten what they paid for in a while.
Yeah.
So they sent some Venezuelan hitters to help them back on track. But things got real messy. Pretty soon, those Venezuelans are going to give you the same necktie they gave your daddy. I killed my father. I cut his throat, just like I saw the Venezuelans do. See, the old man, he had the brains to create this whole operation, but he never had the guts to do what needed to be done to protect it. And so, I hired Card's partner to go kill that agent in Memphis, and I sent Dawson down there to make sure it was done right. I killed Joplin. I had that bitch killed in the subway. And I killed your brother. You shot Joe. Dawson kicked him after he was dead. Morrison covered him up. After I bodied Morrison, my old man lost it. He started talking about how he's gonna send me away to an institution for a while for rest. Tried that once when I was a kid, but it didn't take.
Oh, shit. We'll make it look like the two crooked Reacher brothers were working with an out-of-town cop running drugs or guns or something nefarious through the virgin streets of our Margaret. Broke in a banker to finance it all, paid off some unscrupulous local cops, and then y'all turned on each other.
You're gonna take the car to wherever Hubble's holed up. You're gonna bring him to me.
How do you expect me to do that?
You're a tracker, ain't you? Go fucking find him. Then I'll trade mommy and the girls for daddy. Card's got my number memorized. I don't get a call from you by 6 a.m. saying Hubble's in custody. Those 4 ladies I'm holding die in ways you can't even imagine.
Correct. You're looking.
I don't know how you think I'm gonna find Hubble.
Well, you have till sunrise tomorrow, so I suggest you figure it out.
We're just gonna be driving aimlessly unless you let me stop somewhere. I need a map and a place to think.
Okay. Try anything and this thing goes off.
Understood.
What can I get you, fellas?
Black coffee, peach pie.
Nothing for me. Dessert.
Been trying to get my hands on that pie for a while. Give me a pen.
You expect me to hand you something you can use as a weapon?
This scare you? He's in Augusta.
Just like that.
I chase down AWOLs for a living. Know how they think. If I were Hubble, I'd go to Augusta.
Why?
He knew to protect his family he had to get away from, but not too far in case he felt the need to go back. So he ran up to Atlanta, about an hour from Margaret. Figured, big
Easy.
city, lots of people, makes it easy to hide. Then he realized more people means more chances of being spotted, especially in a town where his old man has a branch in.
Oh,
To Augusta.
Just over 2 hours from Margaret. It's hard for a man if he's halfway decent to leave his family behind. It's done in stages, but Athens is home to the University of Georgia, where Paul and Charlie went to college. It's a place directly linked to Hubble, and one of the first places they look. They move on after a day.
So Augusta is next.
Over 3 hours away, but still close enough he feels connected to his wife and kids. Plus, Hubble's a golfer. He's played Augusta. It means nice memories in the city he's been to before. It soothes him in a time of stress, like when his mom used to sing in Rocky Raccoon.
Bullshit. You can't just stare into something and get inside a man's head like that.
I didn't offer my help. You assholes demanded it. Right now you're wondering what's the best time and place to kill me. You know you'll need to take me by surprise, because you're not sure if you can take me if I know it's coming. Let me save you the trouble. You can't. So if I were you, I'd take me by surprise.
Coffee? Black? It's nice peach.
Thank you.
Why don't y'all take enough food?
No. Actually, we gotta go. Better be right about Augusta.
Oh, through the smoke too. She. Gina.
I say, you look tougher than I thought you were.
Gina.
Exactly what I thought you were. Low tire pressure. Should check it out. Keep track.
Easy.
Got a flat. No way we make it to Augusta.
You being cute?
You've been with me the whole time.
Fine. Just pull over.
Knives, come on.
Go and change the damn thing. Get to work. Find motels within 3 miles of Augusta bus station.
Your input is being processed.
Hello, Papa.
Ladies, here's where we are. Your boyfriend is out looking for her coward of a husband. I've been a
Easy.
while, so stay comfortable. Your daddy's caused us a lot of problems. Did you know that?
Please. Don't do this.
But I have to, because you and your friends are troublemakers. Just like your old pal Gray was a troublemaker. Sure, I had good tasting guns, though. We'll keep them someplace safe as insurance things go smoothly. Things don't. They might fall into one of those chemical tubs.
Okay, that's how you guess what city I was in. How'd you find my motel?
Use credit cards and Kleiner finds you, so you can use cash, which means travel by bus. Needed the money to last, so low-rent motels were your only option. Found a cluster of motels within walking distance to the bus depot. You'd use a pay-by-the-hour joint, which looks the other way on ID requirements. How'd you guess my alias? People use the names of things they like. We love the Beatles. Started with the first alphabetically. Harrison.
You really think to let my family go?
No. They said that just to get me to cooperate. Their plan is to kill all of us, just like they killed my brother. Your treasury contact.
Mark Salas?
That's just the name he gave you. Real name's Joe. Mark Salas played for the Yankees in the late 80s.
Never push.
Sorry. About Joe. I heard rumors that Coast Guard blockade was being lifted. Venezuelans were breathing down Kleiner's neck because production had ground to a halt. I knew with blockade ending, I had to try to get out before business was underway. So I left a message on the phone.
Joe called you back. KJ killed Joe.
The kid?
Killed
Easy.
Joe and Morrison, Stevenson and his wife. Even killed his own father.
Holy shit.
You want to keep your family alive. You need to listen and be careful to everything I say.
Okay. Can I ask you one question?
Okay.
Why are my windows tinted?
He's a Dawson Strucker inside. I'll be right back.
Oh, I'll come with you.
You don't want to see him there. Lots of blood and mud. Busted up shit.
Yes, my cleaning lady's gonna be pissed.
Pretty
I'm
nice.
as pissed as your pool guy.
I'm bored. Maybe I'll uncut you for a while. Make the fight more interesting. Yeah. Somebody's texting, bro. I'll get it. Duck and cover. What the hell does that mean?
Imagine I clip this. It'd be awesome. Imagine I clip this. It'd be awesome. Ready? GG.
I can't help but see you're alone. If they don't get the cars, call them by 6.
Won't mean till 6.
Hubble?
Yep. I got Finley.
I noticed.
That's good. Good to see you alive.
All right. Let's hit the gun locker and the ammo safe. Grab anything useful. This place have a hose out back?
Yeah, what?
We're gonna need it. It's okay, she's with me.
Boss?
Neely, this is Finley and Hubble. Finley and Hubble, Neely.
Ellis,
How is she here?
our last phone call, I asked Beecher how he knew Picard was involved. Said, lucky guess. Beecher believes in facts and statistics, not luck. Might as well shout at Mayday. Where's your lady friend?
Let's get to work. Thanks for letting us set up here. Sorry for the late hour.
I'm just glad Klein is going to get here. I'm going to go upstairs and put on some coffee.
All right. I've been in here a million times. This is a layout.
Probably holding Roscoe and Charlie somewhere around here. Out of the way in corner, but where they can still keep an eye on them.
What about my kids?
Being held someplace else. Psych tactic to make sure Charlie and Roscoe behave. Probably up here. Lock them up in there, you don't have to waste a man watching them.
Two by the door, one around the corner by the exterior staircase.
Firepower for a guy who doesn't believe in security cameras.
It's for me.
I think they're with Picard. You're not a threat.
They know me by now. Their ideal world, how about I get marched through the front door and they kill all of us? They suspect I won't go down lightly, so they put guns outside and probably a dozen men inside armed to the teeth in case I somehow go in guns blazing. What do we do? We go in blazing. Maybe we need to take out those two guards facing us quietly without one of them setting off an automatic weapon.
They won't make a sound.
Good. Double check your weapon, ready, you shot. Okay. Bobo, come with me. Safe to say you never shot anyone before?
Never fired a gun.
All you gotta do is extend, aim, fire. Quit having a weapon unless it's ready for instant use. If you hesitate, you die. Only pointed at the bad guys.
Go get your kids. Thank you.
I know where.
Is that you? I know you're here. Hard. I thought you were dead. Not yet.
Dang, that range though.
Because he's Reacher.
Hey! I think about you shooting me now, Reacher! Let me tell you a story, Jack. So, a couple years ago, I'm on safari in the savannah. The dawn fog as thick as my dead daddy's bankroll. It made the smoke in here look like mist. But through all that soup,
Nah, no way.
I spot this big old rhinoceros. 6,000 pounds. And he's just sitting there, chewing grass.